Hello and welcome to Audiology Talk. My name is Tony Lombardo. I'm an audiologist with Grason-Stadler. Today, I'm excited to share with you some new changes that we've made to the AudioStar Pro with version 2.1 of our firmware. What I want to talk to you about is some features that we've added into our speech screen. So when you're navigating on the AudioStar to speech and you're ready to do some speech testing, we've added some more flexibility on how you can control how the autoplay features work and also how you can set limits on the number of words that are presented through the autoplay mode. So with autoplay, this allows you to set how you want the audiometer to score things automatically for you. So number one, you've got a couple of different options. And now this is stuff that has been on the AudioStar Pro before. However, you would have needed to use the config app to set it up and then set it down to the audiometer to save it. Now we've added that control so you can do it on the fly on the audiometer. So what you would do is you would go to the speech screen. You're going to click on the menu to get to the word navigation. And you're going to see expanded options. And one of them is going to be autoplay word limit. And what this is going to allow you to do is when you're using the autoplay, it's going to set the limit of words. Now with the config app, you can set as many words as you'd like, but on the device itself, you can set it for 10 words, for 25 words, or for 50 words. So fairly convenient for you to just set, depending on the speech test that you are going to do, how many words that you want to go through. Now, the other thing that we've done is we've added the ability for you to go through all the different autoplay features and utilize them directly on the device. So, for example, by default, the device will come with what we call wait for score when you're using autoplay. So you would hit the interrupt button with your word list on, and it's going to wait for you to score it before advancing to the next word. Now, there are a couple of other options, including time expire correct, time expire incorrect, and time expire no score. And essentially what you're doing there is when you hit the interrupt button, it's going to play the word, wait a few seconds, mark it either correct or incorrect, or not mark a score at all, depending on what you select, and then it's going to move on to the next word. If you have it set to time expire correct or incorrect, you can override the automatic scoring by just, waiting for them either to make their error, or if they say it correctly, you would just override that before it gets to the next word with either the correct or the incorrect button, and then that will represent your score correctly at the end of the test. So for more exciting things about what we're doing with the AudioStar and firmware version 2.1 and much, much more, make sure that you check out our social media for good quick tip videos.